Our unsettled week of weather continues. Today is one of sunshine and showers, and it looks wet and windy as we head into the weekend. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. And we've seen the recent flooding across large parts of the UK because of torrential rainfall. We're just around about a third of the way through January, and these are our rainfall totals. Wales seeing nearly all of the rainfall. Good morning to you. We've had wet and windy weather all week. A bit of a respite today in between weather systems. It's a story of sunshine and showers. But a deep area of low pressure moves in this weekend, and low pressure brings more wind, more rain. That is not welcome news for areas through the next 7 days. So here's how things pan out. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, there are two things happening. First of all, we'll look at our temperatures. And at the moment, it's been a little above average, but it turns much cooler as we head through the weekend into the start of next week. 2 or 3 degrees our daytime high, with widespread frost through the coming nights. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. How likely we'll be able to see wet weather? Well, again, we talk about this roller coaster ride. Today, the showers, so not too bad. Thoroughly wet as we head through. Tomorrow, hints of things turning a little drier for the middle of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, looking at our trend in temperature, it's been very mild, still mild as we start the weekend, but a big change, a big drop from Sunday onwards. We see drier weather moving in, but colder air moving in, a big change in feel for things as we head through to next week. But hints that things turn a little milder from Thursday onwards. Percentage chance of rainfall, how likely we are to see wet weather across the south. Today, largely dry. Tomorrow, into the start of the weekend, very wet indeed. And actually, other than a few showers on Tuesday, next week looks largely dry, if not turning a lot colder too. A brief respite for our weather. It's been so wet, so windy so far this week with the flooding we've seen. Today it's sunshine and showers, but more sunshine than showers, and the wind's not as strong either. First thing this morning, the showers mostly through northern Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwestern areas of England and Wales. Eastern and southern areas are driest. The winds... Yes, I agree. There's no debating it. Everyone's talking about it. It's been wet. It's been miserable, and there is more wet weather in the forecast. But today, actually, a bit of a breather. Drier, brighter, sunny spells, a few scattered showers, most of them through northern and western areas. They'll come through on a fairly keen northwest to northwesterly wind, but it means eastern and southern areas staying largely dry. And I think for most of us, probably the driest day we've had so far this week. A cool 7 or 8 in the north, 11 or 12 in the south, but tomorrow looks thoroughly wet. A burn of heavy rain moves in. It stays unsettled, but turning colder next week.